Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad ke Sangma henin ke sengi ulabu Mawnongrim na ke Bynta ki lai teli ki projek ki bahe na ke Bynta ban Pynitynnad bat ban Pyndu ya ke jingkapnya ha ke Nongba. Myntri Rangbah ulabu Mawnongrim ru na ke Bynta ke jaka penyeng kali hapo ke Shillong Smart City Private Limited na ke Bynta ki saus pa repusan teli ki kali bat ke jinglut baro ke long haduk kendai pau klur tingka. Ya ke parking lot on bu ke wei hayo polo ke bala banyam bun teli ki kali ke wei pat on te ha Vivekananda road ke bahajan additional secretariat bat ke balai ke ba on te kan long ha polo commercial complex. Ha ke ju ke por ke jingbu Mawnongrim jong ka words lake promenade ke balong iwei point r kilometer jong ke jaka ke ba mar persya ya kan nan polok ke bekentup lang ru ya kidukan ki jaka de jing de jaka penyeng kali lembar ki jaka bam.
At Lightcore, the Memo Lake at William Nagar and the Ram at Residal Para.
Everybody, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Honorable Director, Urban Affairs Department.
Many plans and policies and programs have been planned and many are under implementation. And what we are seeing today that's going to be initiated is also going to be a very, very important part of what we are doing. We have a plan and a very ambitious plan, and we don't speak just on paper in terms of some ideas and numbers that come out from my mouth or my mind or Dr. Vijay or our ministers saying it. No. These are all done in a very scientific and a very planned manner, where we have mapped out close to 9,500 crores of funds which will be invested from various sources, including state government, including central government, including private investment in the new administrative city and in the new knowledge city that is going to come up. So when this investment takes place at that scale, in this new growth hubs, as we are going to call them, we expect to create almost close to 50,000 new jobs and opportunities of employment for our youth.
Ha ke jingis nok